सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाचि में सदा सुप्रभातं स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। प्रिय छात्राः, नवमी कक्षायाः पञ्चमः पाठः अस्ति सूक्ति मौक्तिकम्। प्रस्तुतोऽयं पाठः नैतिकशिक्षाणां प्रदायकरूपेण वर्तते। अस्मिन् पाठ्यांशे विविधग्रन्थेभ्यः संग्रहणं कृत्वा नानानैतिकशिक्षाबोधकपद्यानि गृहीतानि सन्ति। अत्र सदाचरणस्य महिमा, प्रियवाण्याः आवश्यकता, परोपकारिणां स्वभावः, गुणार्जनस्य प्रेरणा, मित्रतायाः स्वरूपं, श्रेष्ठसङ्गतेः प्रशंसा तथा च सत्सङ्गतेः प्रभावः इत्यादीनां विषयाणां निरूपणम् अस्ति। संस्कृतसाहित्ये नीतिग्रन्थानां समृद्धा परम्परा दृश्यते। तत्र प्रतिपादितशिक्षाणाम् अनुगमनं कृत्वा जीवनसाफल्यं कर्तुं शक्नुमः। My dear students, welcome to online classes. In class 9th, the 5th chapter is Sukti Mauktikam. As we know, Sukti, Su Adhikam Uktihi, Suktihi. Su means good, Uktihi means words. The good words, good sayings are called Sukti. Mauktikam, Mauktikam, Muktihi, Muktikayah idam Mauktikam. Mauktikam means pearls, the pearls of the good sayings. The garland of the good sayings is the Sukti Mauktikam. This lesson teaches you the morals and the ethics that is very much essential for living. In this lesson, you have different collections from the different books of the morals. From the different moral books, the each one shloka is selected and arranged for you. Here you will learn Sadacharasya Mahima, the good conduct, Priyavanyaha Avashyakata, the necessity to speak good words, Paropakarinam Swabhavaha, the nature of the people who always helpful, Gunarjanasya Prerana, how we should adapt the good qualities from others, Mitratayaha Swarupam, how the friendship is made, what is the kind of friendship, it is explained in this. Shrestha Sangatehe Prashamsa, the company of the good people, it is explained here. Sat Sangatehe Prabhavaha, the influence of the good people, the influence of the good people and the good company on us. These are all the things very much explained in this lesson. संस्कृत साहित्ये नीति ग्रंथानां समृद्धा परंपरा अस्ति. If you see in the Sanskrit literature, there is a very rich heritage of teaching the morals and ethics. The literature is very much enriched in Sanskrit about the morals and ethics. Or to understand that and to adapt that in the life, it will bring the change in the life. So as I always tell you, you have many ways to earn the livelihood. What you learn, many things you learn, they may earn you your livelihood. But learning of Sanskrit, it is for the life. That means it makes you live with the code and conduct. That's why Sanskrit makes you strong innerly. That's why unknowingly your thoughts will change, your thinking way of thinking will change. That's why we have to study. We are very lucky that we are studying Sanskrit. So here are the shlokas. First we will read them, then I will explain them with the proper meaning and the grammar points. First shloka is taken from Manusmriti. So Manusmriti is written by Maharshi Manu. Even today, in the future, if some of you are going to become the advocates, lawyers, you will learn this Manusmriti. Code of conduct of the life by Hindus are explained in Manusmriti. If you want to see the Hindu law in the future, if you become the lawyers, then you will quote Manusmriti. Manusmriti is a great book where it is explained that every part of the life is very, very important. And Yadvair Manur Vadati Tad Bheshajam. The saying goes, Yadvair Manur Vadati, whatever the Manu tells, Tat Bheshajam. It is just like a medicine. So that's why we must always know the Manu. Just a moment. It is the same Manusmriti you might have heard. Yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devataha. This is the famous saying from Manu. Where the women are respected, even the gods feel happy in that. That's why we must have the culture of respecting women. First of all, you have mother, sisters, so try to respect them. And here it is a different shloka what he explains us. Let us read the first shloka. वृत्तं यत्नेन संरक्षेत् वृत्तं यत्नेन संरक्षेत् वित्तमेति च याति च वित्तमेति च याति च अक्षीणो वित्ततक्षीणः वृत्ततस्तु हतो हतः वृत्तं यत्नेन संरक्षेत् वित्तमेति च याति च अक्षीणो वित्ततक्षीणः वृत्ततस्तु hato hataha. What makes the character? As the saying goes in English, Rome was not built in a day. So, like that, to build a great city, it doesn't take a day, short time. It takes a long time to build something qualitative. Like that, everybody we get birth, but we make our own character here. So, to make the character, it is not one day affair. The character is the continuous good practices we practice throughout our life. So, that's why every time, every minute, you should have the yatnam. You should try with the good things only, then only you can build the good character. So, to protect your character, what is very important is your efforts. So, always you should have efforts to protect your character, to maintain your character. As we have told that God has given us many good things by birth. Many good things are there with each individual when we get the birth. That good attitude should be protected with the effort every time. You learn new things, but don't forget your good things which you have already got. That's why vrittam, vrittam has the two meanings. Vrittam means circle. Here it is not the circle. Vrittam means charitram. Please note down in the exam they may ask the meaning. Etasya sandarbhikartham suchayantu shabdarteshu pritchanti. Vrittam nama charitram. The character of the person. Yatnena samrakshet. You have to protect. See, if you want to win any match, what is needed? You have to practice more and more to win. But no need to practice to lose. If you want to lose anything, do you want to practice? No need. Like that, if you want to have something good in you, you have to practice. But if you want something bad, no practice, it comes automatically. So no need of filth. Understood? Filth is there already. If you want to keep your house, you have to broom it day and night. But if you want to make filth, it is very easy. That's why, if you want the good character, continuous effort should be there. Yatnena samrakshet. If you want to protect your good character, there should be continuous efforts. Vittam. Vittam eti cha yati cha. Vittam nama dhanam. Many people decide your character with the money you have. But Manu is telling that character is different, money is different.
Sir,
Whereas, huh,
so what is the meaning of that practice, sir, in this sentence?
yatnaha, yatnaha, efforts,
Yes, sir.
prayatnaha.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vittam nama dhanam. Money. Money will come and money will go. But character, once it is lost, if you put efforts also, the character will not be come to the natural. That's why you should never lose your character. Vittam yeti. Yeti nama agachati. Yati. Yati nama gachati. Money comes and money goes. Akshinaha. अत्र नैतत्पुरुषसमासः. न क्षीणः अक्षीणः. दिस इज द विग्रह वाक्य, प्लीज नोट डाउन. अक्षीणः, न क्षीणः अक्षीणः. क्षीणः मीन्स लेस, poor. अक्षीणः not poor means rich. अक्षीणः one who is rich, वित्ततः by money. If somebody is rich with money, but he is poor, if he doesn't have the character, he is a poor. Even though he is rich by money, if he doesn't have the character, he is always poor. Vruttatastu. By the character, if somebody is killed, hataha. Hataha means killed. If somebody is hammered on his character, he is just like hataha. Hataha means killed. You might have heard Ashwathamo Hatah Kunjaraha. That story you might have heard, no? Hataha means killed. So Yudhishthira tells in the Mahabharata. So when Drona was fighting, he was a great warrior. When in the battle it was very difficult to defeat him, Krishna gives an advice to Yudhishthira. There was a Kunjara. Kunjaraha nama Gajaha. There was an elephant. The name of the elephant was Ashwathama. So then Krishna tells that to announce it loudly, so it should be heard by Dronacharya. When Yudhishthira announced Ashwattamo Hataha, then Krishna blows the Shankha. Kunjaraha, when he tells Kunjara is not heard by Drona. So Drona hears that Ashwattamo Hataha, Ashwattama is killed. So he gets so much depressed. In that depression, the Drona loses his battle. So here, Vrittatastu, if somebody is hammered with the character, if you hammer on somebody's character, Jivannapi Samruddha, even though he is living, he is like a dead. So that's why always from the childhood onwards, please give more importance to your character, because money will definitely will come. Praptavyamartam labhate manushyaha. Whatever you have to get the money, you will definitely get it. Devopitam langhaitum na shaktaha. Even God cannot deprive you of getting your money. प्राप्तव्यमर्थं लभते मनुष्यः देवोऽपि तं लङ्घयितुं न मर्तः अतः न शोचामि न विस्मयो मे यदस्मदीयं नहि तत्परेशम्. Whatever is yours, nobody can take that. वने रणे शत्रु जलाग्नि मध्ये महार्णवे पर्वतमस्तके वा सुप्तं प्रमत्तं विषमस्थितं वा रक्षन्ति पुण्यानि पुराकृतानि. Whether you are in a battlefield, you might have seen people are in the different occasions. They have the different jobs. How they are? Somebody works in the forest, somebody works in the battlefield, and somebody is with the enemies, fighting with the enemies. Shatru Jalagni Madhya. Somebody is in the water, somebody is in the fire. Maharanave, in a dense forest, people are working. Parvata Mastakeva, on the peak, Siachen. As a Chinese school students, you know that Siachen, very difficult even to get food. Parvata Mastakeva. And some are sleeping, very nicely sleeping. Parvata Mastakeva. Suptam, somebody is Pramattaha. Pramattaha means mental. So somebody is lunatic. Pramattam, Vishamasthitamba, some are in the dangerous. But still, whatever the condition of the person, whatever the money he has to get, whatever is written in his name, that he will definitely get. Is it not? Somebody are very doing so much effort to get the money, but still they are not getting. Somebody doesn't have any efforts, but still money is coming and flowing on him. That means whatever is yours, that you are definitely going to get. If you want to steal somebody's, whatever the efforts you put, you cannot get it. So that's why, my dear students, please make all the efforts not to earn the money, but to get your character. Once again, I will tell you the each word's meaning. Vrittam, character. Yatnena, by efforts. Samrakshet, sam iti upasargaha, rakshet, protect. Vittam, money. Eti, comes. Cha, and yati, goes. Cha, and. It comes and goes. Akshinaha, Akshina, see, in the exam, Kshinaha ityasya vilomapadam kim iti pruchanti. Kshinaha, Akshinaha. Atra dhanikaha, dhanadaha, Akshinaha, nama dhanavan. You can write rich, Shriman, dhanadaha, dhanavan, Akshinaha, rich. Vittataha, vittam means money, dhanam, vittam. Vittataha, from money. Kshinaha, Kshinaha nama daridraha, he is poor. Vrittatastu, from character. Hataha, hataha means hammered. Hataha means killed. If somebody is killed by the character, he is completely killed. That's why never lose your character. As the saying rightly told, if you lose money, if you lost the money, nothing is lost. If you lose the health, something is lost. If you lose your character, everything is lost. So hope you got the good moral. Let me tell you the sandhis. Vittameti, vittam adhikam eti, vittameti atra samyogaha asti. Anantaram akshino vittataha. Here visarga sandhi is there. Akshinaha adhikam vittataha. Akshino vittataha. See here you can observe this O is in the place of visarga. Akshinaha, visarga is becoming O. Same with here. Kshino, Kshino vrittatastu. Kshinaha adhikam vrittatastu. Atrapi visargaha utvam prapnoti. And very, very important, definitely it will be asked in the exam. Vrittatastu. Atra विसर्ग संधि अस्ति वृत्ततः अधिकं तु The here visarga is becoming sa. All of you know that after the visarga, if it is sa, ta, tha, then visarga will become sa. Like that, this is the vrittatastu hato hataha. Shall we read once again? Who will read? Samarth?
I will.
Yes, please read.
वृत्तं यत्नेन संरक्षेत् वित्तोमयति च यत्नेन क्षीणो वित्ततः क्षीणो वृतस्तु हतो हतः.
Samichanam. Vittameti. Read once again. Vittameti.
वित्तमेति.
Correct. Okay. Samarth, can you read?
Yes, sir.
Read.
वृत्तयत्नेन संरक्षेत् वित्त वित्तमेति च याति च अक्षीणो वित्ततः क्षीणो वृत्तस्तु हतो हतः.
Samichanam. Piyush Patatu. पीयूषः नास्ति वा? एकं क्षणम्.